What's going on, guys? Ryan the Freighters here, coming with another video, and this one is going to be about how to set up your MetaTrader for charts, okay, for a group. Now, what you want is something like this, a nice clean chart that you can look at and actually see the market with, all right, because this is just clutter, it's ugly, you don't want it, all right. So by now you should have downloaded the MetaTrader 4, and this is probably what you got on your default screen or whatever. So we're going to fix it up, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. So we're going to go from this to that. All right, so this is how you do it. You go to your chart. The first thing you want to do is probably, if you have it, the one-click trading, which is this thing, this little buy sell. You don't need it. You can just click it, right? Take it off. The second thing is you want to go to right click, go to properties. The background you want to be set as dark gray. All right, the bar up you want to be black, the bar down you want to be black, the bull candle you want to be lime green, that's nice, bear candle you want to be red, everything else you can leave by default. Let's check it out. Looks nice, very much better, right? Don't you agree? Okay, now if you have all these indicators, all you have to do is right click on the chart again, go to properties. Oh, I'm sorry. Go right click, then go to indicators list. Relative strength index, delete, stochastic, delete, MACD, delete. Now you can keep these, but I'm just showing you how to have a nice clean chart. All right. Now, I don't like this grid in the background, so you can take that off by right clicking, hit grid, boom, again. All right, but what I do have, these perforated white lines are actually day separators. So when you go to the daily chart, which is up here, and I'm on the daily chart of GBP USD, you'll see every day is separated by these charts. So it just shows you kind of like what's the overall trend of the days, which I like. And the way you do that is when you go to properties, and then go to common, and then you go to show period separators. So as you see, I take it off, it's off. I come back, show period separators, it's back on, boom. So again, that's how you set it up. And now you can play with it, have nice trend lines and do different things. You can add indicators, you can add different things, yada yada, but this is a good way to just have your chart set up. And I will also show you guys how to set up on your phone as well, okay? So just making a real quick video. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm gonna be making a lot more videos and stuff like that. And yeah, guys, see you soon.